Today, I'm going to walk you through another exciting project I built on the Conflux eSpace Testnet, a fully on-chain invoice management system. I've already connected my MetaMask wallet to the Conflux Testnet, which runs on chain ID 71, and you can also see my account details and Testnet CFX balance. Let's start by deploying the smart contract, confirm the transaction, and wait for it to be successfully deployed. Once it is deployed, we get access to all the read and write functions, including creating invoices and making payments. Now, let's create our first invoice. I'll add the client address, set the due date, enter the invoice amount, and also provide a unique invoice reference string. After confirming the transaction, the invoice gets created successfully. We can now fetch various details like the client invoice count, specific invoice details using the invoice ID, the next invoice ID, owner address, and even check whether an invoice is overdue. Now let's move ahead and pay this invoice. I'll switch to the client wallet, enter the invoice ID, provide the exact amount, and confirm the transaction. Only the assigned client is allowed to pay the invoice, which ensures proper security and authenticity. After confirming, the payment is successfully processed and recorded on-chain, including the sender address, amount, and timestamp. So that's how easily you can create and manage invoices on the Conflux eSpace testnet using this smart contract. Now let's move on and take a look at the smart contract code to understand how everything works behind the scenes. This smart contract is an on-chain invoice management system that allows freelancers to create invoices and clients to pay them securely on Conflux eSpace. Each invoice stores important details like freelancer address, client address, amount, due date, status, timestamps, and description. The contract maintains different invoice statuses such as pending, paid, overdue, and cancelled. When a freelancer creates an invoice, it gets a unique ID and is stored on-chain, while mappings keep track of invoices for both freelancers and clients. Only the assigned client is allowed to pay the invoice, and payment must match or exceed the invoice amount. Once paid, funds are automatically transferred to the freelancer and any extra amount is refunded. The contract also allows marking invoices as overdue when the due date passes, and freelancers can cancel invoices if they are still unpaid. Additionally, there are helper functions to fetch invoice details, list all invoices of a freelancer or client, get total invoices, and check if an invoice is overdue. Overall, this contract ensures secure invoice creation, transparent status tracking, role-based access, and safe payment handling fully on-chain. Thanks for watching.